Hi everyone, welcome back to Walton Sayers channel. Today we're going to be making a really cool Elsa shirt using bleach and a high temp screen print. Alright, so first you're going to start by laying down your stencils so that way you can get cool little bleach patterns. I use boxes to cover. Keep in mind I am using one hand to do this and shoot the video, so for future reference, what you might want to do is kind of take down your stencils just to get really clean, crisp edges. You'll see in my shirt it's a little sloppy, but you get the idea. I'm just showing you how to create it. So right here I'm bleaching the center out, and this is where I'm going to lay down our image of the lovely Queen Elsa. So I'm just kind of trying to smooth out these wrinkles here, that way I don't have any lines in my bleach pattern. And you'll see I did a few more snowflakes down below. Again, you can see where the stencil actually bleached as well. Of course, you're going to want to rinse out your shirt after it gets to the color you'd like. And then you also want to make sure you subscribe to our channel. And now let's get ready to press this bad boy. So we're only pressing for 7 seconds. And you also notice that the entire screen print does not fit on my little heat press, so I have to do this in 2 pull motions. So I already did the one. I'm trying to get as little as possible, only press down on the spots that I have not pushed down on yet, but I can only do so much, right? So only 7 seconds here, and we will lift to reveal. Of course it's hot, be careful guys, it's hot. So we're gonna reveal our awesome image. And it is a bad girl Elsa. She's got tattoos. She is awesome. Here she is. We have snowflakes as like an extra design. And you can really do anything you want to be creative. So there you have it. Here's our awesome little picture. In less than 3 minutes, you just got an idea of how to make a cool bleached shirt. There she is. I love it. Bye guys.